It all starts with gelatin, a key ingredient in every gummy bear.
Slow the belt down, chute 3 is backing up.
Copy that.
Every gummy bear begins with gelatin. But where does this gelatin come from?
Gelatin is the heart of the gummy bear. It's what gives Haribo Gummy Bears their signature chew, making them irresistibly fun to eat.
Derived from the skin and bones of animals, gelatin goes through a meticulous transformation process. It's here.
Without it, Haribo couldn't create that iconic texture, the one we have all come to love.
It's more than just a treat. It's the backbone of the gummy bear. The foundation of every chewy, fruity bite.
This step removes blood, fat, and impurities, ensuring that only the purest materials remain.
Once cleaned and softened, the raw materials are ready for the next phase of their transformation, turning into the gelatin that gives gummy bears their iconic texture.
The skin and bones are then hydrated and softened, a process that ensures consistency in the gelatin that will soon be created. To create gelatin, the collagen is broken down by soaking the raw materials in an alkaline lime solution.
This process can take anywhere from 5 to 20 days. During this time, the collagen slowly transforms.
After the long soak, the materials undergo neutralization to balance the pH, ensuring the mixture is ready for the next crucial step.
The mixture is then heated, dissolving the collagen into a gelatin-rich liquid. The gelatin solution, still cloudy and filled with impurities, undergoes a critical purification process.
It's filtered through ultrafine ceramic membranes, ensuring that only the pure gelatin remains, free from any unwanted substances.
Next, the solution is demineralized. This stabilizes its color, pH, and gel strength, perfecting the quality of the gelatin.
Once purified, the gelatin is ready for the final step in the production process, the creation of the chewy, fruity gummy bears we all love.
Next, the solution is demineralized, and this stabilizes its color, pH, and gel strength, perfecting the quality of the gelatin.
It's filtered through ultrafine ceramic membranes, ensuring that only the pure gelatin remains, free from any.
Once purified, the gelatin is ready for the final step in the production process, the creation of the chewy, fruity gummy bears we all love.
The candy production begins with the precise weighing of each ingredient: gelatin, sugar, glucose syrup.
These ingredients are mixed together to create a uniform syrup that forms the base of the gummy bear.
Once cooled, the syrup is divided into separate streams, where color and flavor are carefully blended in to create the distinct gummy bear taste.
The syrup is then cooked under high pressure, turning it into a smooth, homogeneous liquid, perfect for molding.
Cornstarch molds are used to hold the shape of the gummy bears. This helps absorb moisture and gives the candies their signature chewy texture.
The gummy syrup is carefully poured into molds, where it will set slowly and evenly.
The gummy bears are then carefully removed from the molds,
ready for cleaning, polishing, and quality checks.
After curing for 18 to 24 hours, the gummy bears are fully set and ready for the next stage of their transformation.
Each bear is cleaned, polished, and checked for consistency, ensuring they meet the high standards that Haribo fans expect.
Keep an eye on the flow rate over there.
Got it. Looks steady now.
Once the gummy bears pass their quality checks, they move on to the automated packaging lines.
Once the gummy bears pass their quality checks, they move on to the automated packaging lines.
Each gummy bear is carefully weighed and portioned into bags, ensuring the perfect amount for every package. The bags are then heat sealed to lock in freshness and labeled for easy identification. Every step is carefully monitored.
Before shipping, each package is thoroughly checked for contaminants, ensuring the highest quality.
The packaged gummy bears are then shipped to Haribo's global distribution network, ensuring that millions of gummy bears reach store shelves around the world every day.